Welcome to Ento Industries. So over here, this is section of blacksoldierfly discovery zone. Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
We will come back to.
どうもこんにちは。シンガポールのシチです。本日は今にも大雨が降りそうな中、シンガポールの西の果てジュロンの工場エリアに向かっています。昨日天気がとても良い中、ウビン島付近にある洋上のフィッシュファーム見学ツアーに行ってきました。そこではフィッシュファーマーズアソシエーションのプレジデントであるダニエルさんにいくつかのフィッシュファームに連れて行ってもらいました。そしてその際にそのフィッシュファームで試験的に魚の餌としている栄養価の高い特別なハエの幼虫に関して紹介していただきました。今回はそれを生産している工場の様子や製品を見せてもらうためにEnto Industriesさんに向かっています。昨日お会いしたシンイーさんですね。1階は食料廃棄物、製造副産物を資源として回収・再活用する事業を行っている親会社であるティオンラムサプライズの工場であり、そしてここの2階がEnto Industriesさんの工場とのこと。
Okay. Welcome to Ento Industries. So over here, this is section of blacksoldierfly discovery zone. Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
ここで先にお知らせいたしますが、今回はシンガポールの食料廃棄物の状況やハエを使って食料廃棄物を有効活用するサステナブルな活動を学ぶことができます。この子供たちや教育機関向けにとても最適な見学ツアー。ご希望であれば実際に参加することが可能です。本動画視聴者さんにはプロモーションもあるそうなので、ぜひ概要欄をご覧ください。
Okay, so this is how the journey starts. We collect food waste from organizations like yes, SGH, funding for hospitals. Yeah, so these are the food waste that we commonly see and eating as well. Like for example, you know what's okara?
Yeah.
You know, right? Peanuts, rice, vegetable, bread, and broad grains. Broad grains is actually the byproduct after making alcohol, our beer. Right, so these are all the common food that we have been seeing.
Okay.
So we collect this. Of course, right now we actually separate them into individual dishes so that it's easier for you to see. But inside here, we actually mix them out so that the larvae will actually have a mixed food for balanced nutrition.
I see.
So when the food waste come in, the larvae they have very small mouth part, right? So it will be easier for them to make them into a smoothie kind of texture. So we will first grind them up first into smaller pieces, so to help them in eating faster, efficiently. Then we will mix them out together with other foods that we have collected. And during the process, right, we will actually add in microbes, which is it will help them with their digestion, so that they can eat faster. Where we actually put them inside the food waste, we add in microbes, then we will actually give it a fermentation process, about 3 to 4 days before we start to feed the larvae.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, so this is the finished one. Any particular?
So far only this part. This area.
This area is for the food waste.
I thought not so large area. Only this one?
Yes, as you can see, the factory is very small.
Yeah. So
we have to maximize the usage of every little space that we can use. So it's only a small area, but today we are taking about 3 to 5 tons of food waste. 5,000 kg of food waste.
In Singapore.
Singapore, every day. Yeah, so over here you can see that we have the grinding machine over there, the small one. We have a big mixer machine here also. For us to mix the food waste and to eat the microbes.
So these rubbish. So you said the hospital, some place you
Organization.
Organization. How many organization? Well, how many is the kind of
Right now,
how
many organizations, as in for our food waste collection.
We have up to 7 to 8 organizations now. They are not restaurants, they are mostly hospitals. Canteens, one of them is also Changi. Canteen from Changi. And very soon we'll be collecting from corporations such as Google and also Changi Hospital. So there is a reason why we go to actually larger corporations. Main reason why is because for larger corporations, it's easier to educate people. It's easier to educate people on segregation and food waste and how we actually do about it. So if there is easier to educate, and that means their staff will actually know exactly where their food waste is going to go. So it's easier to coordinate from there. And we believe that from there it starts everything. Because it's not easy to educate an entire country on segregation. So you need to start something. You need to start somewhere, the larger organizations. And with our educational portion, it starts from young. So that's where we start everything.
I see. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so this is on the food waste treatment area. Let's just move on to the next part. This is actually the automation system that I was telling you about. Automate the whole process of feeding and the harvesting process, because Singapore land is very expensive, manpower as well. So with this automation system, we are able to reduce manpower and space by 5 times. If not for this automation system, we need a space that's 5 times this big. Yeah, so we actually automatically pull out the trays over here. These are the babies, 5-day-old larvae.
Okay.
5-day-old larvae. So they will pull out the babies and then put them into the giant trays.
Okay.
Then there's another machine over there will be doing the automation feeding. Every cycle, depending on the performance of the larvae, every cycle, the machine itself, the system itself will automatically feed the larvae.
Okay, so basically no need to the human, the staff no need to.
No need. Yeah, correct. So everything is by system, everything is by the machine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we just let the system know when to feed how much.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand. Wow.
So
This is automation. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so you can see that they are actively moving. Yeah, looking for food. But they are not fast. Yeah, you can see that they are actually dry. They are not sliding, and they are safe to touch. Not smelly also. Yeah, so these guys they are very, very good and fast eater. On a daily basis, they are able to eat twice of their body weight.
Okay.
Imagine I'm 50 kg. Am I able to eat 100 kg a day? Cannot, right? But these guys, they are able to.
Okay.
During the larvae stage, they will continue eating for 2 to 3 weeks. Continue eating, just keep eating every day non-stop. I'll show you the babies later.
Okay.
Then you can see how small it is.
This size is not baby.
This is not baby anymore.
Oh, really?
You don't consider them baby anymore. They are actually about to be able to harvest.
Almost this size, maximum size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This plate, those one is how can I say the size is the same.
Size is the same.
Totally same.
Yeah.
Okay.
But of course there will be some slow grower.
Okay.
So some of them will appear to be smaller in size, but generally they are all about the same. They are all about the same size.
Okay. Gotcha. So, for example, this plate, how many is it?
This one, the tray itself,
1,000.
just 60,000, right? Yeah, so one tray there are about 60,000.
Okay.
Yeah, 60,000. So one tray 60,000, you can eat how many are there?
Okay. 60,000.
6,000.
So one more question. The starting point is an egg, right? Egg. So that all egg become until this size.
Yes.
Yes.
And by giving them the right environment, which is actually we have a machine, the hatching machine to actually get them to not only play inside, so the survival rate will be higher. Yeah, given the right climate and the environment that they need.
Okay.
Yeah, so from the egg, that's a very good question. The life cycle of the blacksoldierfly is actually very, very short. It's only about 45 to 60 days. So when for the egg to come to the adult, it only takes about 1 to 2 weeks. So from the adult, when they lay egg, after 4 to 5 days, it will hatch out the baby larvae. They will continue eating for 2 to 3 weeks. Then after that, they will turn into a darker color. Whereby they will turn into the pupils. So 1 to 2 weeks later, they will turn to the adult fly. Yeah, the adult fly to show you is actually this one.
Adult also here.
A lot of them.
Adult is you have for making egg.
Yes, correct. So 95% of the larvae will be then processed into our.
Okay.
Only 5%. 5% will be into the reproduction.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a circular economy as well. We don't buy additional eggs from outside. Everything is from this big pool.
I see. So only 5% can
produce so much.
Okay.
Yes. Only 5% because the adults, right? Each time when they lay eggs, they lay about 500 to 800 eggs. Yeah, so it's very, it's a lot of eggs.
I see.
This is how the baby looks like.
Baby.
The baby larvae.
This one.
This one. Yeah, the baby larvae.
I see. This one, how many days?
This is from the 5th. It's up to this now.
4 or 5.
Yeah, so it's about 4 days.
4 days. Okay.
Alright.
This one, how many baby is here? 60,000.
6,000, yes. So one is for 1 tree. Yeah, let me show you the pupae as well.
Okay.
So I mentioned when the grown larvae turn, as they grow, right, they will turn into the pupae stage. You can see there's a lot of skin because when they grow out, they will shed their skin as well.
Okay.
So yesterday I said
Yeah.
the skin, they're actually a very, very good ingredient for biomedical products. Our plasters, our bandage. So they have this antibacterial properties in there that is able to kill the bad bacteria. Yeah. Okay, shall we go into the breeding room?
Okay.
There will be some flies might land on you, but it's okay. They don't bite.
Okay.
They don't bite. You can actually see some of them here already. Inside.
What?
Yeah. So inside all these cages, all the flies inside.
I see. This one. The other one.
Yeah, so these are not flies.
Okay.
You see, they are not really a good flyer. And the reason why they are called the black soldier flies is because the person who actually found them, they have this black, very cool body, and the wings is always pointing downwards. So the person who actually found it looks like they are wearing a uniform, soldier uniform. That's why the person named them as a black soldier fly. Usually female tends to be bigger, bigger in size.
I see. So these adults, how many days they are?
Once the pupae come out as an adult, they will be in adult form in 1 to 2 weeks.
So they are only one time.
Yeah,
One time.
one time.
Oh, see.
Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you examples of the products. Okay. Let me just introduce this area to you first.
Okay.
Sometimes we will have kids, students coming here. So this is actually an education area for them to further understand more about black soldier fly and why is it so important that we know the food waste situation in Singapore. How much are we generating and what is Ento Industries doing to help to reduce and divert some of the food waste instead of going to the incineration back to our facility to use the black soldier fly to keep them. And then in return we get 2 valuable products. One is animal feed, which is the larvae themselves. The other one which is their poop as an organic fertilizer for the plants. Right. So over here you can see that this is the larvae in dried form, which is the one that you tried. And from this dry larvae, we are able to further produce 2 products. One is the protein powder.
Protein powder.
Protein powder.
Okay.
So gym, gym, right? You need protein powder. You can actually, some countries, not in Singapore yet, but in some countries, this is actually made into energy bar for the gym goer. Yeah. The other one is the lipids, which is the oil, the inside oil. This hand soap bar is actually made from the oil. And it's very, very good for those sensitive skin people. Yeah, because of the antibacterial. Yep. Okay, so the other one, this one, chitin. Chitin is actually made from their skin, their shell.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is actually the ingredient I told you, whereby we are able to make them into cosmetic products, lipsticks, or biomedical products like our bandages, our plasters, medical plasters. Yeah, because of their antibacterial agent. And this is the one that you saw, the organic fertilizer, which is their hoops. So this is actually our organic fertilizer product that is sold at the nursery stores as well. It's a very, very good indoor plant. So when we talk about organic fertilizer, we will usually associate with like chicken manure, which is very smelly after you water them. So this one, it doesn't actually give you the bad smell. So it's actually very, very good for indoor plants. So we then developed this herb growth kit. It's mainly for kids and students to learn how to plant seeds together with some soil. It's a DIY kit. There is our fertilizers inside as well. Yeah, and we also have some collaboration with pet because we know that we cannot do everything and anything, right? So we also collaborate with local brand, local pet products to develop co-developed products like this. So this is actually a pack cube. This is packaging
just packaging.
Using our blacksoldierfly protein powder. This is also another one, pack cheese. It's for dogs.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for dogs. It's beef for dogs.
I see. So these one is coming from?
Yeah, coming for this.
Okay. How to make, for example, this one, how to make? So the first three, the crusher, this type, doing the...
There are other ingredients as well, that other ingredients like, for example, vegetables that for the dog.
I
so they will mix in and process them into the cooking.
Oh, I see. So making process is also doing here?
No, it's actually produced by our partners.
Okay.
Yeah, they are mainly doing pet products. So we send over our blacksoldierfly protein powder to them, and they do the manufacturing there at their first facility.
Okay.
So over here, let me give you some feeding experience.
Fish.
Yeah, so what you do is you take one, then you crush. Yeah, make them into smaller pieces. I think they are a bit shy. Because we just fed them this morning. They are eating over here.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, so we have a small section for the students whereby they are able to take some of the dried larvae to fishes to feed the turtle.
So company pet, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually a complete a site tour. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is actually good for schools, students, to learn something out of classroom, to apply, to see the real world example of how a natural solution like insect can actually help to reduce food waste. Yeah, and then make them into sustainable products. Yeah, and it's also good for employees as a learning journey as well.
I see. So if someone want to see your displays, so that it's okay to contact here.
Yeah, contact us through our website.
Okay.
And also our social media as well.
Okay.